Student, lesson 5, a different kind of school. Now we start from here. I had heard a great deal about Miss Bean's school, but not till last week did the chance come to visit it. Here, the author E.V. Lucas described about he had heard a great deal about Miss Bean's school, but he had not come chance last week to go there. राइटर जो है उस स्कूल के बारे में तो बहुत सुने थे, लेकिन लास्ट वीक तक उनको चांस नहीं मिला उस स्कूल तक जाने के लिए. सेकेंड, व्हेन आई अराइव्ड देयर वाज नो वन इन साइट बट अ गर्ल ऑफ अबाउट 12. हर eyes were covered with the bandage, and when the author go there, he saw that a girl of 12 years, her eyes were covered with the bandage, and she was being led carefully between the flower beds by a little boy who was about 4 years younger. And that girl was walking very carefully between the two flower beds, and there was a little boy who 4 years younger was also with her. वह जो लड़की थी वह अपनी आंखों पे पट्टी बांधे हुई थी. वह फ्लावर बेड्स के बीच से होते हुए बहुत केयरफुली जा रही थी, और उसके साथ में एक उसके एज से 4 साल कम एज का लड़का उसके साथ था. सी स्टॉप्ड एंड इट लुक लाइक सी आस्क्ड हिम हु हैड कम, and that the bandaged girl was stopped there and she asked about me. Writer say that she asked about me. वह लड़की जो है उस छोटे बच्चे से हमारे बारे में पूछ रही थी. And she asked who had come. She seemed to be describing me to her. And after that, that boy was describing about the writer to that girl. Then they passed on, and after that, the that girl and the boy was go from there. और उसके बाद से वह लड़का और जो आंखों पे पट्टी बंधी हुई लड़की थी वहाँ से चले गए. Miss Bin was all that I had heard, expected, middle-aged, full of authority, yet kindly and understanding. The writer said that Miss Binns was the exact expected that Miss Beam was a middle-aged woman full of authority, it means full of responsibility, yet kindly and understanding. And that lady was very kindly and understanding also. Her hair was becoming to turn grey, and she had the kind of plump figure that is likely to comforting to a homesick child. And that lady had a very kind woman. Her hair was becoming grey, and that was full of responsibility to take care of homesick child. वह जो लेडी थी वह काफ़ी रिस्पॉन्सिबल लेडी थी, और उनके जो हेयर थे वो ग्रे हो रहे थे, और वह अपने आप को इस तरह से एडजस्ट की हुई थी कि जो होम सिक चाइल्ड एज यू नो, जो बच्चे जो है अपने घर से दूर जा कर के जो है किसी स्कूल में पढ़ते हैं और वहीं पे जो है हॉस्टल में रहते हैं, तो जो घर की याद आती है, घर के बारे में सोचते हैं, उनको जो है इस तरह के बच्चों को होम सिक चाइल्ड कहते हैं. आई आस्क हर सम क्वेश्चन अबाउट हर टीचिंग मेथड which I had heard were simple, and the writer said that he asked about Miss Binns to the teaching method of that school, and when she told me about the teaching method, it was a very simple. एंड जैसे ही राइटर जो है पूछते हैं मिस बीम से उस स्कूल के टीचिंग मेथड के बारे में, तो वह मिस बीम जब उनको बताती हैं उस स्कूल के टीचिंग मेथड के बारे में, तो वह जो है समझ जाते हैं कि जो टीचिंग मेथड ऑफ दिस स्कूल इज़ वेरी सिंपल। जो टीचिंग मेथड्स थे उस स्कूल के वो बहुत ही सिंपल थे। No more than he needed to help them to learn how to do things. Simple spelling, adding, subtracting, multiplying, and writing. The rest is done by the reading to them an interesting talk during which they had to sit still and keep their hands quiet. There were practically no other lesson. And in those schools, there was no need to help them to learn how to do things. And simple spelling, adding, subtracting, multiplying and writing, जो उस स्कूल के जो मेथड्स थे वह ये बताया जाता था कि कैसे जो है सिंपल स्पेलिंग लर्न करते हैं, कैसे ऐड करते हैं, सब्ट्रैक्ट कैसे करते हैं, मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करते हैं और कैसे राइट किया जाता है। बाकी द रेस्ट इज डन बाय द रीडिंग टू देम बाय इंटरेस्टिंग टॉक during which they have to sit still and keep their hands quiet। और जब उनको बताया जाता है तो उस दौरान बच्चे जो है इंटरेस्टिंग टॉक के द्वारा या वह बैठ करके जो है सुनते हैं अपने हाथ को सीधे रखते हुए। और there was practically no other lesson and there was no other lesson have to taught to them। उसके बाद से जो है कोई अदर लेसन जो है उन बच्चों को नहीं पढ़ाए जाते थे। द रियल एम ऑफ दिस स्कूल इज नॉट सो मच टू टीच thought as to teach thoughtfulness, kindness to other, and being responsible citizen। Look out of the window a minute, will you? And Miss Beam also told to the author that the real aim of this school was not much to teach thought as teach to thoughtfulness, kindness to other, and being responsible citizen। Miss Beam told that she teach the student to kindness to other and being a responsible citizen। मिस बीम जो है अपने बच्चों को जो है यह सिखाती थी कि कैसे जो है दूसरों के ऊपर जो है दया किया जाता है, कैसे रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीजन बनना चाहिए, इसके बारे में बच्चों को समझाया जाता है, बताया जाता है। लुक आउट ऑफ विंडो अ मिनट, विल यू? एंड मिस बीम said to author E.V. Lucas that look out from this window, or you want to look out from this window। उसके बाद से कहती हैं मिस बिम कि इस विंडो से बाहर की तरफ देखिए, क्या आप देखना चाहेंगे? Then I went to the window which overlooked a large garden, a playground at the back। What do you see? Miss Beam asked। And when the author went there to see from the window, he had watched that there was a large garden and playground at the back of the school। And then Miss Beam said that, what do you see? उसके बाद से जो है जैसे ही आथर उस विंडो की तरफ विंडो से बाहर देखते हैं, वो देखते हैं कि बड़ा सा गार्डन जो है पीछे की तरफ था। उसके बाद से मिस बीम उनसे पूछती हैं, व्हाट डू यू सी? आप क्या देखें? देन आई सी सम वेरी ब्यूटिफुल ग्राउंड, आई सेड, एंड अ लॉट ऑफ जॉली चिल्ड्रन। एंड देन ऑथर सेड दैट I see some beautiful grounds। He said that he had seen a very beautiful grounds there। I said a lot of jolly children also। And the writer said that he had seen there are many happy children was there। राइटर कहते हैं कि मैं वहाँ पे जो है बहुत खुश बच्चों को देख रहा हूँ उस विंडो से। It pains me though to see that they are not so healthy and active looking। And writer said that he has feel much pain to see those child because they are not so healthy and active in looking. राइटर बोलते हैं कि जो उन बच्चों को जो देख रहे हैं कि वो खुश तो हैं, they are very happy, but there was a feeling of pain when he saw that boy, because they are not healthy, they are not so active. When I came in, I saw the poor little girl being led about. And writer said that when he came there on that school, he saw that uh, a girl was there that was being passed from that place. वह बताते हैं राइटर कि जब वह वहाँ पे आए तो एक लड़की जो है वहाँ से गुजरी. She had some trouble with her eyes, and the writer said that that girl has feeling of very trouble in her eyes. वह राइटर कहते हैं कि जब वह उस लड़की को देखे तो वह ये समझे कि उस लड़की को जो है कोई प्रॉब्लम है, किसी प्रॉब्लम को फेस कर रही है. नाउ आई कैन सी टू मोर with some difficulty, and the writer said he had seen that two more are the same difficulty. राइटर कहते हैं कि दो और भी बच्चे वहाँ पे मौजूद हैं जो किसी न किसी डिफ़िकल्टी, किसी न किसी परेशानी से ग्रसित हैं. एंड देयर वॉज अ गर्ल with the crutch watching the others to play. She seems to be hopeless cripple. And the writer said that there was a girl with the crutch watching the other at play. मतलब एक लड़की है जो अपंग सी है और वो बैठी हुई है और दूसरे बच्चों को खेलते हुए देख रही है. She seemed to be hopeless cripple. और वह that girl seemed to be very hopeless, very helpless. Okay, thank you.